Hi everyone, today we're going to look into another motions block, and let's see what we have for today. Okay, we're going to learn about this set X and set Y. Let's have the block on the screen. What is this two block is all about? Actually, this two is same as the go to block. For the go to block, you will set two coordinations, the X and Y locations all together, but for the set S and set Y, you can set it differently. So now let's see what is the difference between these two blocks here. And we have the event first, the space key block. We start with the set S without setting the Y. Okay, now let's have the backdrop back to the backdrop. We can have it with the XY grid. Okay, now we have the XY grid already, and we back to the spread here, and we start to set the S, X for the character to move around. Now let's have 100 first on this point here, 100, and we plug the number into this circle here to get to the locations of the X. So when I have the green flag start, let's see what happens when I press the space key. You see, the character will move to the X with 100. How about now we put it in negative 100, and we have the green flag again, and we have the space key again. You see, it move reverse back to the negative 100 locations. Or we have it for 200, it will be equal to 200. Okay, this is for the set X for the character. How about set Y? Now we have it for the set Y, but before that we set this back to set 0 first, so that you can see it very clearly. We move the character back to 0. Now we replace it with the set Y here. Okay, now for the set Y, we put 100 inside, and the location is roughly in this area, in this point. And we see, isn't it? He is moving to that location. Yes. Yeah, you just need to set the number, and it will be traveling around this Y axis. If let's say it is setting X, it will be traveling around this X axis. So now we put the negative 100. What we have for this character, it will be going down. So let's say we combine these two together, it will become like the go to X and Y, go to 0. Let's say we put 100. Yeah, it will exactly go to these locations. Then we try it with the go to XY block, so that you can see the difference between these two settings. One is to separately set the X and Y, one is to set all together. Then we go to the 0 and 0x and 0y, and then we change to the same number like this. You see any difference that it has or not? Yeah, exactly, they have the same functions. Only thing that the go to XY, you set the X and Y all together. The set X to and this block, they are setting the X individually, and they set the Y individually. Okay, today our tutorial is about this go to XY block and the set X block and the set Y block. We will see you again in next tutorial. Thank you very much.